Hey everybody, I want to take a second and make sure that you know how to download Respondus Lockdown Browser. Our exams for this course are going to be taken in Respondus. It is a web browser just like Google Chrome or Internet Explorer, and its purpose is to both record you taking the exam and also lock you out of any other websites that you don't need to be accessing when you're taking it. So if you go to the Gadsden State website, you can see that's where I am, and click on Current Students. You will see a link to the Teaching and Learning Center, and if you'll click on that, you're going to want to tell them that you're a student, and there's going to be lots of useful information here about Blackboard, but most importantly today we're going to look at Respondus Lockdown Browser. If you click here, it gives you the option to download, and once you click Install Now, it will begin taking you through the process. It will put a folder down here at the bottom, and you will have to agree to the terms and all that. I already have Lockdown Browser, so what you will do, this is what it looks like, and you will click this link and it will open up a web browser. Now when I click it, it is going to shut off the webcam because it uses the webcam to record you. But when you click this, it will open up a tab, and you will put in www. and do the Blackboard website and click on our class, and then you will click on the file that says Take Exams Here. So when I click on this, you can see it's going to ask me to make changes. Then it gives you a tab up here, Blackboard, and if I click that I want to end this recording, then it will let me go straight to the test. Make sure you tune into the next video to see the process by which you need to make sure you take the test to get all your points.